you know, I'm still cute or whatever. Don't get it twisted what I'm trying to say. Hey y'all, it's Elise. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this easy holiday Christmas glam. It's a super classic look and it's going to be super easy to follow along. I'm just on my way to an ugly Christmas sweater party, so hopefully you guys can get ready with me and we can do a little chit chat. But first, you're probably wondering how I got here. I'm already almost through with my foundation application, and this was supposed to be a review on the Nars Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Macao. But I lost all my footage, so I need you guys to bear with me. Some of these foundation claims are that it's super matte, non-transferable, and it's going to stay all day. So let's just pretend this never happened and pick back up with the review. I don't know if I like it. To me, this is very hard to spread. This foundation, I don't know if you could tell on camera, but yeah, since it's so yellow and the shade is honestly too dark for me, I never really liked the shade. I mean, it looks kind of pretty, it's just, I mean, and it's full coverage. I thought it was going to be a little more full coverage than this, the way people were talking about it. This is for people with a brush. I've seen a lot of people actually review this with the beauty blender, so that might be the key, and I can do it again with the beauty blender next time. Now I'm going to use Butterscotch from Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I don't really like this foundation, I don't think. I think it's the color mixed with the fact that I feel like I've looked smoother before. This is Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm not really in the mood to cream contour. I don't know, I feel I have a weird relationship with contouring now. I'm just gonna probably bronze all over, and that's probably what I'm gonna do until I figure out what I want to do. I feel like I have a lot of structure already. So usually people with round faces, they try to, you know, contour a lot and all that. I just don't know why I'm doing it. Is this foundation too dark, y'all? I'm gonna probably update y'all. I have a feeling it's gonna last a long time. I'm gonna set my concealer with the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Mahogany Bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yo, I feel like I don't even need to set this the way it feels on my skin right now. Yeah, if you have oily skin, this is probably a really good bet for you. I'm not into contouring my nose like that, so I'm just gonna run this down. There's a lot of things I'm not into that I do like on my clients that I don't like on me. Like even baking, like I think I hate this. I always hate it. I always hate baking. I used to love it and I ended up hating it after a while. But that's like kind of the popular tea. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm rushing and I kind of look crazy. I'm going in with the Narcissist 2 palette. I'm gonna use these two shades for blush. feel like my face looks dry, you guys. I'm gonna put on a lot of blush because I don't know if I'm gonna like my face. So why not look like a clown? I feel like one. I needed that. Ooh, I needed that. Laura Gellar Gilded Honey to give a little holiday glow. Ooh, don't look at my edges. Just a little. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original. This eye look is so easy. You can do it. Anybody can do it. Like, it's so easy. Let's go in with this one. What y'all think? I ain't got time to wait for y'all to answer me. Okay, this is a cute combo. Y'all was right. Let's do this one. I love this palette because there's like no fallout, so I felt completely comfortable with doing my face first. Sometimes it's fun to do your face first. I see why people do it. Now we're gonna go in with this shade. Then I'm gonna blend. Now let me add this wing. Part of me wants to give y'all the Nicki Minaj under eye, like nothing under my eye. I'm kind of feeling that right now. I mean, am I feeling that right now or am I just in a rush? You decide. Comment below. Okay, now this is the main part. This is the red lip I'm using today. It's a little mini, but it's from Sephora. This is called 01. I think it's called like Always Red or something. So here we go. A little bit of a red lip today. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do recreate it, I would love to see it. I would like to see it.
I would like to see it.
Hopefully this was super easy to follow along with, not too many steps. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can be tuned in for the other videos to come. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, so in the natural, I mean it's not natural light, but we're outside. My face definitely looks very filtered. I know this is just the iPhone quality, but it's definitely very smooth. The color looks better in the light. Up close, I do feel like it does accentuate textures when you get too close, like if you have any texture on your face. But at the same time, like, I do feel like I look filtered. It's weird. Maybe it just, you know what it is, it just accentuates any lines or dry spots. But it's like all the parts that aren't on that look extremely smooth and filtered and beautiful. So this is how I'm looking. What do you guys think? Let me know. Oh, and then I'm ready for my ugly Christmas sweater party. Okay guys, I'm with my best friend Nia.
Hi.
So we're gonna ask her, how do you like my face? What do you think? Look at it.
I love the Christmas look, even though it's like, wait. I love the Christmas look. It's the red lip for me, because...
I'm talking about the foundation though.
Okay, I was gonna get to it. I was just gonna give a full review. Why not? The red lip, love how bright it is. It's not Ruby Woo.
Sephora.
It's the Sephora
Lip stain.
Yes.
01, always red.
I like the foundation. It looks really smooth.
That's what I was saying too.
It looks very smooth, like just like poreless.
Okay.
Almost like in this area here. I like it.
You already know what it is. You already know what it is.